Largo de Cais. Police. Pier. Lots of cool stuff there. Show you all of it in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's Largo de Cais, so we're just gonna start right here. And there's a whole other street here, which is called that one. And that's all down that direction. But this one kind of has a lot of cool stuff. It's kind of a fast car moving. So we kind of could see some cool stuff down these ones, but I think that won't be our focus. So, but this one might be, because we got some cool stuff like this. Fish. Stuff like that. Kind of want to show you some of the businesses too. Maybe I will for a second, and then we're going to go back. Because I want to also, when I do a street, I also want to put in context too. So you can kind of see the context of stuff. Black and white Portuguese tile stuff. Let's just kind of show you some context of stuff. So this is like a pretty beautiful little space like that. So you can eat, and then there's also like a way to view the ocean as well. Quite popular. And then you have these beautiful trees. With kind of this Portuguese stuff too. So this is focused back on Largo de Cais, and then we're going to it's really cool. And now you can see the kind of waterfront area too. There's some cooking there. So we're gonna walk right into this space. We'll probably end up walking back too, so the sun is a little bit bright on this space. There's a police station over there, some stuff up on the hill that way. Another one of these. I think you're gonna need, it's pretty cool in here too. Another one of these as well. So you can buy them. You put it in like plastic. Let me just kind of show you around a little bit. So the police station is there. I could walk up into that area, but I think I want to just kind of show you a little bit of this one. So this one is, let's show you. Cais de Coloane. So this one, you could walk all the way down that way. So I think what we'll do is we'll just walk in this space right here. And then you can see it goes out like that. And right there's a boat as well. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. Let's see. So yeah, there's a boat that's kind of going through right now, and there's a pier. And there's also security. I think the security is for, I think it's for COVID, I think. Then we have the water right there. And we have more space here. And that's our so we're just gonna, I guess we'll end it in a minute. So I got a little context of things. So Largo de Cais. We're just gonna we'll end it right there. Right next to the fish.